make it quick right now. My mom bought me a Claritin for the blue pills because it gets rid of the sinus, sneezing, and those red eyes make it drowsy, tired, because it gives me a drowsy. Well, anyway, I went to the Texas Roadhouse on Sunday, but I'm sure it's like 20 minutes. I would agree with that. Yesterday, Saturday, I go to a Rooster restaurant, bar and grill. I order a buffalo chicken with macaroni and cheese, but it's made of blue cheese, where they put it in there. Anyway, I'm going to sleep now. So, good night, everyone. Have a great time.